When it comes to home improvement projects that blend style, functionality, and value, installing Bow Windows is an excellent choice for homeowners in Orangeburg. Bow Windows, with their timeless elegance and practical benefits, can transform the aesthetic appeal and utility of any home. In this article, we'll explore the top advantages of installing Bow Windows in your Orangeburg home and why they're a worthwhile investment. Enhanced natural light. One of the most significant benefits of Bow Windows is the increased natural light they bring into your home. Unlike traditional flat windows, Bow Windows project outward, creating a curved, panoramic glass surface. This design allows sunlight to flood your interiors from multiple angles throughout the day. For Orangeburg residents, where sunny days are abundant, Bow Windows maximize the beauty of natural lighting and make your spaces feel brighter and more inviting. Improved ventilation option. Bow Windows typically consist of 4 or more connected window panels. Many homeowners choose operable panels that can be opened, providing excellent cross-ventilation. This feature is particularly beneficial during Orangeburg's pleasant spring and fall seasons when you want to enjoy the fresh air. By strategically placing operable panels, you can easily control airflow and improve indoor air quality. Enhanced curb appeal. Bow windows are a stunning architectural feature that can significantly enhance the curb appeal of your home. Their elegant, outward curving design creates a focal point that adds character and sophistication to both traditional and modern home styles. Whether your Orangeburg home has a charming southern aesthetic or a sleek contemporary look, Bow Windows elevate its visual appeal, making it stand out in the neighborhood. Increased indoor space. The outward projection of Bow Windows creates a small nook or ledge inside your home, adding usable space. This additional area can be used for various purposes, such as a cozy reading spot, an area for indoor plants, or even additional seating. In Orangeburg homes where maximizing every square foot is important, this feature provides both functionality and charm. Energy efficiency. Modern Bow Windows are designed with energy efficiency in mind. High-quality models feature advanced insulation technologies, low emissivity, low E glass, and weather-tight seals that help reduce heat transfer. These features are particularly valuable in Orangeburg, where summers can be hot and winters chilly. By minimizing energy loss, Bow Windows can help you maintain a comfortable indoor temperature year-round while lowering your energy bills. Panoramic views. One of the most cherished features of Bow Windows is their ability to offer expansive, unobstructed views of the outdoors. Whether you're overlooking a beautiful garden, a serene street, or a lush backyard, Bow Windows bring the beauty of the outside world into your home. For Orangeburg homeowners who enjoy connecting with nature, this feature is invaluable. Versatile design option. Bow Windows come in a wide range of styles and materials, allowing you to customize them to suit your home's unique character. Whether you prefer traditional wooden frames for a classic look or modern vinyl frames for durability and low maintenance, there's an option to fit your taste. You can also choose from a variety of glass types, finishes, and hardware to create a personalized design. Boost in property value. Investing in Bow Windows can increase the overall value of your home. Prospective buyers often look for features that combine beauty and functionality, and Bow Windows deliver on both fronts. Their luxurious appearance and practical benefits make them a selling point, which can give your home a competitive edge in the Orangeburg real estate market. Customizable comfort. With the additional space and sunlight that Bow Windows provide, you can create a more comfortable living environment tailored to your lifestyle. Add cushions to create a cozy seating area or use the ledge for decorative displays. The possibilities are endless, making Bow Windows a versatile addition to any room in your home. Final thought. Bow Windows are more than just an aesthetic enhancement. They're a functional upgrade that can transform your Orangeburg home. From improved natural lighting and ventilation to increased energy efficiency and property value, the benefits are clear. If you're considering a home improvement project, installing Bow Windows is a choice that delivers timeless beauty and lasting value. Take the first step toward elevating your home by exploring Bow Window options today. With the right design and professional installation, your Orangeburg home will be brighter, more spacious, and more inviting than ever before.